Hello.
Hello, Anas. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
How are you, all of you? How are you, Miss Adir?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, dear students. How are you today?
Okay, Mister. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, start.
Yes, Anas.
Let's
I
start.
sent you before model exam for Kangaroo 2021. Okay?
Okay.
All of you answer it.
What?
Did you answer it?
I don't know.
Hmm. Okay. We have model exam for Kangaroo. Okay? Uh, please answer it. Okay?
Okay.
With time
Other
75
exam?
minutes. No, I sent you before PDF.
But Musa, I don't see the screen.
Okay, you'll see it all now. Okay, let's start.
So there is another exam?
No, it's model exam. Okay, to be ready for competition. Okay, with 24 questions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
There is another exam that is new.
Model exam. Okay, to practice yourself well. Okay, Anas, please read.
Okay, number 19.
Yes.
The queen tries to find out the three names of Rumpelstiltskin's wife.
Yes. Yes.
She asks her, "Are you called Adele, Lily, Cleo? Are you called Adele, Laura, Cora? Are you called Abby, Laura, Cleo?" Each time exactly one name and its opposite was right. What is the name of Rumpelstiltskin's wife?
Yes.
What is this? What is the big name? Can you help me say it? What? Rumpelstiltskin. What?
Yes. Yes. Right. But not his wife. Yeah. Okay.
Rumpelstiltskin's.
Yes.
Okay.
What's your answer?
I don't know. Which one? They are all names. Adele, Lily, Cleo, Adele, Laura, Cora, Abby, Laura, Cleo. Which one? How do I know?
Okay, here
How do I know?
each time what?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, the students are today. Anas.
Teacher, I cannot hear anything.
How? You see the screen or not? Okay, Anas.
Yes.
Okay, continue, please. Read that, please.
So it's Adele, Lily, Cleo, Adele, Laura, Cora, Abby, Laura, Cleo. Each time exactly one name and its position was right. What is the name of Rumpelstiltskin's wife?
So, in each name, we have only one name right, okay? So,
how do you know? It's a name, not a number.
right.
It's not like a name. How do you know?
No, you're right, like numbers, okay?
Teacher, I cannot hear
Let's
anything.
determine the odd one, okay? So here, daily repeated, right? So
Yes.
from the first name we take what? Cancel the repeated names, okay?
Abby. So there's
Excellent.
Adil
And then
and Lily and Cleo and
X.
Laura.
No, kill you repeated.
Adil and Lily and Cleo and Laura.
Cora. No. Kill you repeated. Anas. We want name not repeated, okay?
Okay.
Ideally, repeated the first and second lines here, okay? So we take
Mr.
what?
Can I answer?
Adil is repeated.
So no Adil, okay? So we take
Adil, Laura, Cora, the second one,
Sir,
and
I
the
take
first one.
eBay.
Abi, Leila, Cora. Excellent. So the answer is
eBay.
Abby, Lila, Cora. Abby, Lila,
okay.
Cora.
Which letter?
What?
Letter. The answer is what? Which letter?
Is
A, B, C, D, A. Excellent.
Something Faris. I answered.
Okay, Faris. What's your answer, Faris?
I said A, yes.
Excellent, Faris. And Anas, well done.
Okay, what
Students,
after?
is it clear, please? Students,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes? Yeah.
clear? Why A?
Because there's no Lily. They're both Laura.
This don't repeat it.
The key here, okay? The key here, each time exactly one name, and this position was right. So here we take Abi and here Lily and Cora, okay? Okay, let's go. Reduction. Okay. Tahir,
Yes, mister.
let's go. Wait, please.
The teacher writes the number from 1 to 8 on the board. The teacher then covers the number with triangles, squares, and circles. If you add the 4 numbers covered by the rectangle, the sum
Triangles.
yeah.
Yes.
The sum of is 10. Or if you add the 3 numbers covered by the squares, the sum is 20. Which number is covered by circle?
Oh,
Which number?
Missing here, we don't know.
Which number?
Okay.
Which number? B.
B4, okay. What's your answer?
I am adding 3 numbers that hold 20. 6.
6. Why 6?
Because there is 6 covered.
What? Because what?
It's wait, there is 6. Mister, I think it's 6.
7. Why 7? Please, if you answer, please tell me why.
Yeah, because I because there are 7 covering the circle. Like I add them all together without the circle, so I get 7.
We add all, we get 7. How? Okay. Okay. How?
There's 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 squares and 4 triangles.
1, 2,
3
3,
plus
4.
Like 3 plus 4. Yes. Like 3 plus
Again,
4.
please. Who answer, Anas?
Yes.
Okay, again, Anas, please. Again.
There is 7 covering the circle. Look, there is a square, 1, and 2 triangles. So there's 3, and then 2 squares, it's 5, and then 2 triangles, it's 7.
No. Teacher used the different digits from 1 to 8, not similar. I mean, 4 triangles. Okay, I see 4 triangles, but the numbers aren't similar. No, different from 1 to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, not similar. Okay, not the same numbers. No, teacher used different digits. And then he used squares and triangles the same. Okay, but here he used the number from 1 to 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have 8 shapes. Okay, so behind each shape, here we have a digit from 1 to 8. Okay, is it clear that point? And if you add the 4 numbers covered by the triangle, the sum is 10. Mentally, do we have a number plus itself 4 times equals 10? No. Why? Because 10 isn't a multiple of 4. Okay? If you think in that way, okay, it's wrong. Why wrong? To add the 4 similar numbers, it means that I multiply it by 4, and the 10 not a multiple of 4. We have 8 and 12. Okay? So here, attention, we have different digits, not similar. Okay? Okay, for you, we have here sum is 10, okay? Save it, please, okay, for me. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Save that for you, please. It's important for any competition in math. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. Why? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay? So the triangles have the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Up to now, okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, let's continue. Then, let's see that. Okay. And if you add the 3 numbers covered by the squares, the sum is 20. So we have here 3 numbers, their sum is 20. Okay, let's check. Okay, we have what? 5, 6, and 6, 7, and 8, right? The rest digits we can use, right? Up to now, okay? Again, I have from 1 up to 8, okay? For the first given here, to get 10 as a sum, I use the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the rest is what? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right?
Right.
Right. Let's see. If you add the 3 numbers covered by the square, the sum is 20. Let's see here.
5, 6,
When
7.
we get 20, when we add 5, 6, and 7, or 6, 7, and 8, or 5, 7, and 8, or 6, or I said all the probabilities. Okay, which way we take here? I want 3 numbers here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The sum is 20. How to get 20?
I think we plus.
Okay, yes, we add. Yeah, right. You're right. Excellent. Yes, we add. But the question now, we add which numbers you add? 5, 6, and 7? Or 5, 7, and 8? Or 6, 7, and 8?
8, 7, and 6. I think.
8. Okay, 8 plus 7, 15. Plus 6, not 20.
21.
have it-
Oh, no.
21.
It's 8, 7, and 5.
And 5. So we get
20.
8 plus 7 plus 5, 20. 8 plus 7
Yes.
plus 5,
8
20,
plus
okay?
7 plus 5 equal 20.
6.
So we have here 5 and
Yes.
here 7
7
and
8.
And the
so
hand is gonna be
the
equal
rest digit is what?
I think it's 6.
6. Excellent.
Yeah. And
So the answer is
6. Yes.
okay, clear?
Yes. Very, very clear.
Okay, let's show that again, please. Okay, here teacher used the digit from 1 up to 8. So he used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then he covers the numbers with triangles, squares, and circle. The different digits. Okay, covered by 4 triangles, 3 squares, and 1 circle. Then if you add the 4 numbers covered by the triangles, the sum is 10. So for you, please study it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10, okay? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. So here we use the digit from 1 to 4. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. Not used up to now, okay? So if you add the 3 numbers covered by the squares, we have 3 numbers, their sum is 20. The sum is 20. So here we search for the numbers. When we add it, we get 20. As you answered, excellent students. When we add 5, 7, and 8, we get 20. So the rest digit here is what? Okay, so 6 is covered by the circle. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Kind
No.
of hard, but okay.
Who said no?
No, it's clear.
Who said no?
Me, but my mistake.
As you like. Got it or not?
Got it.
Sure?
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Mr. I can solve the next one.
Okay, but the students who said no, what's your name? What's your name?
Me, Ibrahim. I say no, but by mistake.
Okay, show me why. Why the answer is X?
First, we add 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and then 10.
Then here we add 5, 7, 8. The thing that we don't add it, it's 6
Okay. Okay, why we take 1, 2, 3, and 4? Why not take 5, 6, and 7 here? Here in the first step, why we didn't take 5, 6, and 7?
The number 8. So, like 8 divided by 2, 4.
No, no division here.
Because the
Okay.
sum is 10 and we only have 4.
Excellent. Yes, you're right now. Because the sum is 10, and when we add 5, 7, and 8, we didn't get 10. Okay. We get 20. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Brian. Who asked me to answer the next one?
Me Tahir.
Okay, Tahir, go. Let's that.
Jane has some pictures of parrots. She wants to color
only the head, tail, and wings of each parrot, either red, blue, or green, so that all three colors are used on each picture sheet. Colors: 1. Parrot head red, its wings green, and its tails blue. How many more parrots can she color so that all the parrots are colored differently?
Okay, what's your answer?
First, we see here that he colored the either of
Head.
the parrot is red, then blue, or the color is head red first, and its wings green.
Okay, wait a minute.
And its tail blue.
Blue. Okay.
Then the next one, color the head by green.
Head green. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, to be easy, Tahir, it's better to start with red again, okay? And
Yeah,
switch.
red. Yeah, I know it now. Red,
Okay, you know my
the head
idea,
red.
okay? And switch the other colors, okay? To
Yeah,
attention.
I know it. Red head and the wings with the blue and the tail with green.
Okay, wait a minute, please, for me.
And the tail is green.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, now the next one.
Okay, go. As you
The
like
head
now.
is blue. The head is blue,
Blue, okay.
and the wings is red.
And here.
The head of this.
Okay, and
Okay.
when we switch then the other colors,
Yeah,
okay,
I
as
know
we did in the first, okay.
Yeah.
Let's
The
complete the
wings
second
is
one.
red. The
Wings
wings
red.
is red,
Okay, let's
and the
look.
tail is green.
Okay, wait for me, please. Here. And
The tail is green.
okay, green.
Now,
No. Sorry for that. Okay, then.
yeah, the wings is green, and the tail is
Okay.
red.
Okay. Red. Okay.
Yeah.
Easy.
And the last one, the head is green.
Okay, sorry, I think I made a mistake here. Okay. We should start with the first one up. Okay. No problem. Okay, continue. Head is
Now
what?
the head is green. The head
Green.
is green. Yeah. And the wings is red.
Okay, and here the same.
The wings is red. And the next one, the wings is blue here, and the tail is red.
Okay.
And in the next one, the tail is blue, and the wings are red.
Okay.
Mr. Why there is no 6 here?
No, attention, Tahir.
Five.
Attention. Attention, please.
There is
How
5
many?
only.
No. How many what?
More parrots.
more, but we already colored one. She colors one here. Okay, attention please. She colors one. Okay, and then how many more?
How many
So,
more?
yes,
It's four.
that's,
More. Five
that's
more.
the
Five.
colored one. Okay, what I circled
Five
now,
more.
the colored one. Okay, then
Mr.
how
There
many
is
more?
Five.
Let's count.
Five.
We have 1,
2, 3,
3,
3, 4,
4, and 5.
5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
again,
it's
please attention, students. Okay, because if we have here 6, we should pay attention. She colored 1. Okay, so 1 is colored.
5.
Okay, and then how many more? So after coloring 1, how many more we have?
5.
Huh? Excellent, طاهر. Well done. Okay, clear, students? Because of that, I said I made a mistake.
Yes.
I mean by I should start with the first one here. Okay,
Yes.
start that as she did. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
To be clear, no problem. Here. Mm, Okay, let's do it to be clear. Okay, so again, she colored what? 1, red, head red. Okay, so we colored the head red. Okay, that's one she colored. And then wings green. And then blue. Okay. So we have 1. How many more? 5. So here wings. Where are you, Tahir?
Yes. I'm here.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So she colors his head red, wings green, and tail blue. Okay. And here we switch wings and tail. For the second, green, and then red, and blue. Okay. So how many more? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Attention, please, to the question. How many more? Not how many parrots and only. Stop now. How many more? So we have already 1. So how many more? It's 5. Okay.
Mister, we have more. It's 5. 5 more.
Yes. Excellent. Okay. Let's continue. So here the answer is 5. Okay. Who read the next? Samir.
Here.
Let's read please 22.
Okay. Several teams came to the summer kangaroo camp. Each team has 5 or 6 members. There are 43 people in total. How many teams are at the camp or at this camp?
Okay. So we have teams, and already teams consists of members. Okay, and we have 5 and 6. It means that we have multiples of 5 and 6 together. So how many teams here?
In this team we have
Yes,
5.
5 teams.
5 teams.
Okay, each team contains how many members of the 5 teams?
It contains 5 or 6.
5 or 6. Okay, how many for 5 and how many for 6?
For 5 we have
Yes.
I think 11. 5.
How? Your answer is 5 teams. From where we get 11?
From 5 we have 10.
5. 10. Oh. 5 of 10? No, each team has 5 or 6, not 10, okay? Samir?
What?
Samir,
What?
please, how many teams?
We have
We have 2 types of teams, okay? We have teams with 5 members, okay? And another with 6 members, okay? So
I
up
think
to now
that's
we
9.
have 11 people. Okay, for 2 teams, 1 for 5 and another for 6. But the total number of people we have is 43. So how to get by adding 5 and 6 to 43? How many times we should add 5 and how many for 6 to get 43? If you get that, you get the number of teams. Huh? 1 of what? 5 or 6?
We have to add 6.
Of 6. And how many for 5?
For 5 we have to add to make 43.
Hmm.
We add 5.
Okay, by other way, students, we need multiple of 5 and the multiple of 6 if their sum is 43.
Which is
Turn your mic off. Aziz, turn your mic off, please. Aziz, mic makes noise. Aziz. Aziz. Okay, thanks. Okay, Samir, continue, please. Oh no, Abdulaziz, your mic, please. Samir, how many teams of 5 and
7
of 6?
times 5. 7
Okay.
times 5.
Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. And 43 minus 35, 8. But team has 6, not 8. Okay? So no. Another answer.
It's
Ah.
gonna be 6.
Look for me,
Six
don't
or-
go nothing, okay? Bro, why did you this? Look up, look up, look up.
6
Bro,
of what?
look.
5. Okay, 30. So we have remainder 13, not multiple of 6. Oh no. Abdulaziz, your mic next slide, please. Please turn your mic off. Oh no. Sorry, Abdulaziz.
Number 4.
4. How 4? 4. Where's 4? A? 4 sets?
A.
No. We need multiples of 5 and multiple of 6. Their sum is 43.
E.
Okay. Samir. Okay, students, what's your answer, please?
My answer is 6.
6 teams. Okay, how many for 5 and 6?
How many for 5 and 6?
Yes, you said 6, okay? 6 means the number of teams, okay? And we have 2 types of teams. Type has 5 members and another one has 6, okay? So if you tell me 6, okay, how many for 5 and how many for 6 to check our answers? Okay, the total number of people should be 43. Here 30 plus 13, 43, okay, but 13 not multiple of 6. Okay.
E.
What?
A.
A.
Yes.
4 teams, okay. For 5 or 6?
Mister, I think it's for 5 and it's the answer is A. For
What do you think again, please?
4 for 5.
4 for 5, so 20 members, okay. And
Yeah, and 4.
4 for 6, 4 times 6, 24. The sum is 44, not 3.
44.
You're closer to the answer.
4 multiply 11, I think.
11, no, 11 here. We have 5 and 6.
I think.
You're closest to the
4
answer.
multiply 4, I think. B.
No, we have 5 and 6 to multiply it by.
Okay. We multiplied, but we don't have 43. Multiply by 6.
5 by 6 is 30. No, 30, and we have only 13. 13 not multiple of 6. You're closer to the answer. How many teams of 5 members?
Oh, I know. It's 4 multiplied 4. Teacher, 7.
7 multiply 5.
Yes, and then multiply.
Okay, 35. We have 8 now.
Mr. Me, I know. It's 4 multiply 4.
No, we have 5 and 6.
I think.
Students, we have teams has 5 members and another one has 6 members. Okay, let's draw it.
Okay, it's like
Let's draw it. Okay.
okay.
We have team has 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes.
And another team has 6 members. So for one team of 5 and one team of 6, we have 11 members. We have the total number of members now 43. How to form a 43 by groups of 5 and 6 together? How many groups of 5 we used and how many for 6? And then we add the total number we used.
Like 4 multiplied
5, we said 20, okay, and here 24 now. The sum is 44.
I think, and then we plus the 6.
Yes, we plus, but we have 43, not 44, okay? So the way for multiplying 5 by 4 now, and 5 by 6 now.
I think 5 multiplied 7.
No, you get 35, and we have only a remainder 8. It's not multiple of 6. How to get it?
5 multiplied 4 equal 20, and 5 multiplied 6 equal 20. I don't think that 5 and 6 it will be.
Okay, please. You multiply 5 by 4 and the 6. What is 5 by 5? Why you didn't think for it?
Yeah, 5 multiplied 5.
Yes, 5 times the team of 5, 5 times 5. So we have 25 members, right?
Yeah, and do
Okay.
you want
25 plus what equals the 43? Plus what?
plus what?
Yes.
23.
Plus 3 times 6, which is what? 18. 25 plus 18 equals?
25 plus 18 equals 43.
So your answer is right. You get 43 members right here. So how many teams we use?
No.
No. 5,
Oh, it's
4, 5,
5,
and
5.
3, 4, 6.
Yes.
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3 equal 8.
So we have how many teams?
We have
8. 5 of 5 members and 3 of 6 members. When you have 5 of 5 members each, so we have 25 members. And when we have 3 of 6 members each, we have 18. Let's add 25 plus 18 equals 43. So your answer is right, okay?
Yes.
Again, we use 2 teams, one of 5 members and the other of 6 members, okay? So we talked about now multiples of 5 and 6. I1 multiple of 5 plus multiple of 6, the sum is 43. How to get it? As you did by checking. You check 5 times 4 now, 5 times 6 no, 5 times 7 no. Okay, what is 5 times 5? 5 times 5, 25. So plus what equals to 43 plus 18? 18 contains 3 teams of 6. 3 times 6, 18. Okay. So we have 3 teams of 6 and the 5 teams of 5. The total number of teams is 8. 5 plus 3. Okay. Is it clear?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot. Who answer next?
Me, Mr. Please.
What's your name?
أ.محمد.
Fahd.
Faris.
فهد حامد الغامدي.
If you don't answer me, it's okay.
Okay, go first, please.
Okay. Which key would it be impossible to cut into 3 different fingers of 5 shaded
No,
squares?
figures, not fingers. Different
that's okay.
figures.
Yeah, figures.
Okay, of 5 shaded squares. Okay.
Yeah.
We have here key. It's impossible to cut it into 3 different figures. Which key?
I think it's E.
E. Okay, let's check. That. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's the first cut. And here.
Only two figure. It's 2. We must 2 cut.
And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question now: are they different or not?
This?
Yes, the 3 figures here you got different. Okay, the question talked about impossible to be different. Okay, so it's possible, so not answer.
Yeah, it's not the
The
answer.
answer is
Yes.
E.
E, no, E,
No.
we have different figures, and question ask about which it be impossible. Impossible can't be cut into 3 different figures, and here we can cut it into 3 different figures. Okay, what's your answer? You know.
I think I know. It's I think it's A. Yes.
A. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they different or similar?
Yes.
The figures here different or similar?
It's different.
Different. So it's possible. We talk about impossible. So A can't be. No, it's possible.
Yes.
We want impossible. It means that when we cut, we get similar figures. Okay. Not
Yes.
different.
Okay. Okay. C.
C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cut here.
Yeah.
And then.
Okay, I think it's C. Yes.
C. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4.
2, 3, 4, 5. So we cut here.
And we have also 1 in the right.
Teacher, the answer is B.
Okay, they are different also. Okay.
Teacher, the answer is B. Teacher, the answer is B.
Oh, Samir. Who said B?
B, Samir.
Samir. Okay, let's check. So C can't be. Let's see B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut here. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we cut here.
It's D.
It's B, yes. Why? Here we have letter L and the L, okay? So we have 2 similar figures. So it's impossible to cut into 3 different figures. Again, we have here 2 similar figures, okay? The shape which take that form and the other one in the other side. So we have 2 similar, okay? That and second one. So the answer is
B.
B, okay? Why? Because when we cut it, we get 2 similar figures, okay? But in A, C, and E, we get 3 different figures. Okay, Let's check for D. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we cut here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cut here. So in D the same as A, C, and E, we have 3 different figures. But in B, we have 2 similar. So the answer is B. Okay, students? Is it clear? Students? Is it clear or not?
Very, very clear.
Clear. Definitely clear. Clear.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. What answer?
Me.
B.
Mm,
Me, mister.
Faris, okay. Okay, Faris, go please.
No.
And replace letters that in the collection can grow. GA with numbers from 1 to 9 and then cultures the result. The same letters are replaced by the same numbers and different letters by different numbers. What is the largest possible result she could get?
Okay, what's your answer?
He have the numbers from 1 to 9, and he have letters can and row. I think it's 900 and 1 minute. 942, I think.
42. Okay, how to get it?
We have this and then kangaroo. But how I participate the can and row and GA.
Okay, how to get 942?
Yes, I know, but how I the letters, how I press it and like this, like how.
She replaced the letters here with numbers from 1 to 9. Okay? And then calculates the result. Okay, same letters are replaced by the same numbers. We have only here repeated the letter A. Okay?
Yes.
So, what's the largest possible result? So we should put the large digits in the left or in the greatest place, okay?
Oh.
So we replace K by 9, okay?
948.
No, and then 8, and then
Yes.
7, okay?
7. Yes.
Then minus, we subtract. So to get the largest possible result, the number here should be the smallest one. So as we studied, what's the smallest 3-digit number?
Teacher,
975.
I don't see the picture. I don't see the picture.
The
I don't see the
smallest 3-digit number is
925.
100. No.
no smallest, not greatest. Smallest 3-digit 100. Okay.
Yes. 100.
And then plus
925.
attention here, please. Attention, please. Here
100 plus.
Excuse me, teacher. Teacher, I don't see the screen. There's nothing. I see black.
okay.
Now I
And now
supposed to answer what the
No, nothing.
nothing. How nothing? Students, do you see the screen?
yes.
No, I see your camera closed. That's what I see.
I see it.
screen shared.
فين؟
Okay. Okay, leave and then go back, okay?
Okay.
I think you have a problem in it.
I think
Mister, actually, the class has been finished.
No, not yet, please. Okay, well, let's finish that, okay?
yes.
We use 9, 8, 7, 1, and 0, 0, okay? So we write here 6, but A, we replace it by 8. Attention, please, now, okay? When we add in that form, we didn't get the largest possible result. Why? We have here 8 as a ones. Okay?
Yes.
And it will be greater if we replace 6 by 7. I mean, we write here 6 ones, okay? 6 ones, and here 7 tenths. Why? To get a greater value.
Yes.
Okay.
Why?
Why? Because tenths greater than ones. Okay.
Yes.
The digit in tenths has greater value than in ones. Okay. So let's calculate the statement here. 6 minus 0, 6.
6
8 minus 0,
8
8.
0,
9 minus 1,
equal 8.
8 plus
Plus
78.
78.
Let's add 6 plus 8.
6 plus 8 can't be, yes.
No, plus, no, can't be.
Oh.
14, 4 and 1, 10, 1 plus 7.
Yeah.
8, 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8, yes.
16.
16, 6 and 100, 1 plus 8.
1 plus 8 equal 9.
9.
But its answer isn't here. Okay, so I think we have an error in that question. Why? Because he asked about the largest possible result and it's the largest one. We have 964. But the key answer said 942 D. But we can get a larger number, which is, as you see here on the screen, 964. Okay?
But it's not in the.
I know. So I told you we have an error here in the key answer. Why? He talked about the largest possible, and as we studied in our curriculum, to get the largest value, we use the largest digits in the largest places. Okay. So here
Yes.
we use 9 in the hundreds, 8 in the tens, and here 7. Okay.
7 in the 100.
Mister, the class
Yes.
finished.
Okay, so the answer is 964.
Yes.
I hope all of you understand what we studied today.
I not answer. I not answer.
Bye.
Okay, next time you will be the first one, okay?
Okay.
What's your name, Omar? Okay,
Yes.
Omar. Okay, see you soon. Good luck for all of you. Please pay attention for your exam. Study hard. I hope all of you be the best, okay?
I like you guys too.
Okay,
Bye.
goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Masalama.